Let's talk about our furry friends' health, those little bundles of joy who purr and cuddle their way into our hearts. Of course, we want to ensure their health and happiness, but sometimes it can feel overwhelming to keep track of everything that might affect them. So, let's break it down and know what symptoms to look for, because, just like us, cats can face a variety of health issues. First up is cat flu. It's a sneaky little bug that can hit any cat, but it's particularly nasty for kittens. Imagine your tiny fur ball sneezing with gunky eyes and a runny nose. It's heartbreaking, isn't it? Young kittens can stop feeding altogether, which can lead to weakness and, sadly, even be fatal. While there's no specific treatment, antibiotics and fluids can help them pull through. The best defense is a proper vaccination. Now, let's talk about those pesky fleas. They're not just annoying, they can cause intense itching and irritation. Flea allergic dermatitis, or FAD, can lead to hair loss and excessive scratching, making your cat miserable. Getting rid of fleas can feel like a never-ending battle, but with regular flea prevention, you can keep your home and your cat flea-free. Trust me, it's worth it to see them comfortable again. Next, we have worms. Tapeworms and roundworms can invade your cat's gut, causing diarrhea, vomiting, and weight loss. Regular use of a veterinary-approved worming product can keep those little invaders at bay. It's a simple step that can make a huge difference in your cat's health. As our cats age, their kidney function can decline. Symptoms like increased thirst, more frequent urination, weight loss, and vomiting are signs that something might be off. Sadly, once kidneys fail, there's no reversing it. But supportive care can help your kitty cope for as long as possible, so keep an eye on those signs. And there can also be cancer. Yes, it's a scary word, but it can happen to our cats too. When cells start replicating uncontrollably, it can lead to tumors. Symptoms vary widely, from visible lumps to weight loss, coughing, and vomiting. If you spot a lump, don't ignore it. It could be an early warning sign. Obesity is another common issue. If your cat is a bit pudgy, those extra pounds can strain their heart and joints, making it harder for them to breathe. Plus, it puts them at risk for diabetes. Keeping your cat at a healthy weight is crucial. It's about more than just looks. It's about their overall well-being. Speaking of diabetes, if your cat develops it, insulin injections and strict diet management become part of your routine. It might sound daunting, but with the right care, they can live a happy life. Then there's cystitis. Lysis, the inflammation of the bladder, often caused by stress. Male cats are particularly at risk. A blocked bladder is a serious emergency, so be vigilant. Supplements and stress-reducing measures can help keep your kitty calm and healthy. Dental disease is something most cats face as they age. Plaque and tartar buildup can lead to tooth decay, and many older cats lose teeth as a result. Regular vet checkups can help catch these issues early. Finally, hyperthyroidism is another hormonal disease that affects older cats. There are various treatment options available, from medication to dietary changes, and even surgery if necessary. So, your cat relies on you to spot the signs and symptoms of these common health issues. Regular vet visits, vaccinations, and preventative care can make all the difference. Stay informed and proactive, and your furry friend will thank you with every purr. Remember, a healthy cat is a happy cat.